go explore the track together. The race is about to start. Let me teach you how to drive. Tap this button to speed up. Swipe left and right to move the car. Collect energy to speed up. Whoa! The car is catching up! Tap the car's skill to beat it back. Hit the balls with a question mark to get useful items. Lightning cloud! Great job! You've learned all the controls. Now go for first place.